Hey guys, Rich with Cars over here. Wanted to show you a quick overview of the brand new Aston Martin Vantage Convertible. Got it right here behind me. They're about to pick it up, so I don't have much time. Just wanted to give you guys a quick walk around of the vehicle because it literally just got unveiled. So guys, let's strap in and take a look. So we get to see that it's got the new design in the front, like the coupe, and very similar to the previous generation Vantage. We get to see that it's got a soft top right here. That's super fast. We got the same design wheels. You guys can see that this is a prototype, not ready for North American market because we have a right-hand drive, as you guys can see. So this is for the British market, or if you want to call it Japanese market even. But quick walk around, you guys get to see the same grille with some carbon fiber in the front. We got a front lip spoiler in carbon fiber. And we got carbon fiber side sills over here. Walking around, we also have a full carbon fiber rear diffuser. So you guys get to see over here that the rear of the Vantage Convertible now has the option for the carbon fiber rear diffuser. Very similar to what we see on the coupe. You guys also get to see the massive tailpipes, the quad pipes in the rear. And of course, that gorgeous design. I find it's very similar to the previous generation convertible. Of course, I'd love to see this in with the top down. We get to see also the new design side vents with the Aston Martin scripture. So we're gonna see how the top goes down. You guys will get to see how fast it actually goes down. That is how quick the top goes down. And now we get to see how it goes back up. That's super fast. I'll show you guys the numbers on the screen of the performance figures. Of course, this has the same engine as the coupe version and also has the same power figures. If I do have them, I'll make sure to post them up on the screen for you guys, just so you can take a look on how the convertible compares to the coupe as well. So we have a first Aston Martin Vantage on the new body style. And like I said before, right-hand drive. So not yet available in the North American market. This came straight from the UK. Like I said, just about to get loaded to go off to the next event, as you guys can see over there. What's really incredible on this is the fact that you get to see 325s on a convertible on the rear tires. So that we have a lot of power and a lot of rubber to put that power down to the ground. One thing that you get to see right away is a little bit of that dirt that accumulates right there on the side sill inside the wheel well. Here on the interior, you guys get to see a red finish color. Not sure if I'm a big fan of it, but this does have the sport seats, carbon bucket seats with some padding, of course. I love the look of these seats. I wouldn't say that this is the most comfortable or the best sort of spec for a convertible, but at least you get the look rather than the comfort. But once you actually get into these seats, to be honest, they're actually quite comfortable. It's just a matter of getting over that sill on the side, because it does get a little bit uncomfortable getting over or getting in and out of the vehicle. Once again, for the convertible, we get to see that we have the completely redesigned interior with a new dash, new steering wheel, that new infotainment system alongside with the middle console as well. So Aston Martin's actually bringing this to all their vehicles now, the new infotainment system alongside with the new layout for the interior. I find it's a gorgeous layout, gorgeous interior. And then of course, right under there, you have a wireless phone charger as well. Really nice thing that you get to see here as well that I just noticed is that you have carbon fiber paddles right behind the steering wheel, and they're basically steering wheel mounted as opposed to column mounted. As always, you get to see a beautiful interior of the Aston Martin Vantage, now in convertible version. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick overview right before the car gets picked up of the brand new, recently unveiled Aston Martin Vantage convertible. It hasn't been on the market, as you guys just noticed. It's a right-hand drive, so it's still not available in the North American market. But as always, guys, stay tuned for more content. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.